Can repeatedly texting someone put you behind bars? The growing number of social media users had led to rise in online harassments, in which cyberstalking has become one of the most serious crime against women. Today, we will go into details about this part of the internet and discuss how one can deal with the cyberstalking or avoid it entirely. Let's take a look.
Cyberstalker has been arrested by cyber cell in Delhi who was allegedly stalking 50 girls and teachers of a reputed school.
Former eBay employees charged with aggressively cyber-stalking a couple.
The 7 members are accused of sending harassing messages via group message and social media.
Cyberstalking is when someone uses social media like email, WhatsApp, Insta or Meta to harass or stalk the victim. In the current online landscape, one can easily become a target of cyberstalking, and because of anonymity of the internet, it can be difficult to establish a stalker's identity. And the stalker could be in another state or 3 cubicles away from the victim, which makes cyberstalking more difficult to combat. Cyberstalking is very serious crime in which 60% of the women are already involved. At a virtual event, Rekha Sharma, the chairman of the National Commission for the Women, informed the media that online harassment, including cyberstalking against women, had increased 500% in the last year. To deal with such stalkers, India has special legal provisions in the IPC and in IT Act 2000. The offence of stalking is defined under section 354D of the IPC, but this provision has limited impact as it doesn't apply to the instances of stalking against a male. This might come as a surprise, but there is no legal provision to tackle women cyberstalkers. In fact, there is no specific law to tackle cyberstalking in India. Usually it is covered under section 67 of the IT Act, but that is applicable only if there has been a transmission or online publication of obscene material. On the other hand, section 72 of the IT Act deals with the person who secured access or disclosed the electronic record or any book, register, correspondence, information, document or other material without the consent of the concerned person. And section 66E deals with the punishment for violation of privacy. Further, IPC also provides section 354C, which is defined as an act of photographing or publishing an image of a woman performing a private act without her consent. So, what are the solutions to tackle these type of stalkers? Or what to do if you are a victim of cyberstalking? To overcome this serious issue, the Government of India developed many cyber cells across the country. Cyber cells are the one-track solution established to combat and address cybercrime. If you are a victim, you can easily register your complaint anytime by going to your nearest cyber cell. Also, if you don't want to go to the cyber cell, you can register your complaint online via National Cybercrime Reporting Portal, and the link of the same has been provided in the description below. Apart from these aforesaid few provisions, a separate law must be provided for the crime of cyberstalking. Also, there is a need for awareness campaigns, rallies, and many more webinars regarding this serious crime, so that no other woman will be victimized. At last, let's conclude this video with the famous quote of Gandhi ji that if you want to change the world, start with yourself. Therefore, start working on yourself. Self-regulation is the best way out by taking some small precautions and protect yourself from these stalkers. For cases related to today's topic of the cyberstalking, you can have a look into the description box below. Thank you very much for watching my video.